Welcome to Introduction to Text Classification. In today's data-rich world, text classification helps us make sense of large volumes of textual data, automate decisions, and extract useful insights. From detecting spam emails to analyzing customer reviews, text classification is everywhere. So, what exactly is text classification? Simply put, it's the process of assigning categories or labels to text based on its content. Imagine receiving hundreds of emails every day. Text classification can automatically filter out spam, saving you time. Or consider a company analyzing thousands of customer reviews to understand overall sentiment. Text classification makes this possible. Some common types of text classification tasks include spam detection, where emails are categorized as spam or not spam. There is also sentiment analysis, which identifies whether a text expresses positive, negative, or neutral emotions. Topic classification groups articles into categories like sports, politics, or technology. And language detection identifies the language of a piece of text. Now, why is text classification so important? For businesses and organizations, it helps automate tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. Instead of manually sorting through emails or reviews, a text classification system can handle it quickly and accurately. This helps in improving productivity, customer satisfaction, and overall efficiency. Let's go over the basic steps involved in text classification. First, we start with data collection. You need labeled data, where each text sample has a category assigned to it. Next is preprocessing. This involves cleaning the text, removing punctuation, tokenizing words, and filtering out common words like the or and. The third step is feature extraction, converting text into numerical formats that models can understand. Methods like bag of words, TF-IDF, and word embeddings help in this process. Then comes model training. Here, you train a machine learning or deep learning model to learn from your labeled data. Finally, you evaluate the model's performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to ensure it works well with new, unseen data. Text classification has numerous applications. It helps in email filtering, customer feedback analysis, content moderation, and news categorization. Whether you're sorting emails, analyzing opinions, or managing content, text classification simplifies these tasks. In conclusion, text classification is an essential tool in natural language processing, making data analysis faster and more efficient.